Friday early morning ride. Gonna meet up with Steve and Sammy again. And I think I'm gonna do a comparison video between the Pan America ST and another one, a Pan America Special. I just want to go over the differences and show you guys how different they look. But right now I got to do a couple errands. I got to stop at Bergen County Harley Davidson. Some guy comments, you traded in the Road Glide for this bike? And then he says, yikes. I'm like, dude, are you kidding me? Like, there's other bikes other than Road Glides and Street Glides that Harley makes that are unbelievable, like this bike. Like, if you've never ridden this bike, like, you don't even know, you have no clue what's going on. Like, this bike is a beast. This bike is badass. This, in my book, should be recognized as possibly one of the best bikes for 2025. Oh, look, they got another one. Guys, dude, if you guys want the same bike as mine, there you go. Bergen County Harley Davidson. You guys I better put this video up fast because this thing is going to go fast. Same bike, same color, except look how different it looks. Let me show you guys. Like, look at my seat, right? Look at the seat. Look at the seat on there. Look at the exhaust. Now look at my exhaust compared to that big long one right there on the stock. And look at the bar setup. Like, look how much different the bikes look. Look at my bar setup, right? Look at my bar setup. Removal of these lights in the bar, right? How good I cleaned up the back. Look at the exhaust, right? Now look at this one. Look how long the exhaust is, because people said the Acura looks bigger. It's not bigger, I'm telling you. The stock exhaust is huge. And then look how much I cleaned the backup. Look at the bar. Like, I don't like the stock bars. Like, look at the bar setup on mine. Look how it looks sporty. That thing looks badass. And then these lights, I got rid of these lights. I got rid of the bar. I got rid of the bar right there. Anyway, they have one, man. Come get it. But this bike is badass. Look at that thing. Oh my god. I am the Pan America ST up, so you guys better come here quick. This thing's gonna be gone really fast. My man, what's up, buddy? Hang on, let me put it. How you doing? How you doing? How you been? Nice to see you. How you like it?
Oh, nice. Love it, huh?
I love it, man. It's a blast. It's a blast. You guys going for a ride today?
Hopefully.
Nice. Well, have fun. Be safe. Nice seeing you again.
You too.
All right, brother. So the bike runs about 210 degrees. It's 72 degrees out. I'm also going to be monitoring it during the summer and see actually, you know, like how hot it gets and stuff. The only little bit of heat is really on the left side of the motor where the fan is, and once the fan kicks on, it kind of just blows a little bit of that hot air across your leg, but nothing on the right side. You don't feel anything on the right, it's just on the left. And I can't wait to get the stealth mirrors. That's really going to tie everything in that I did with the bars and the risers. It's just going to tie everything in. Nice little stealth mirrors. It's going to look so good. It's going to look like a Street Fighter. It's going to look really good. And then we'll see. Hopefully the tuning will be in place in the next couple months. Then what I plan on doing is changing out this stock header and putting on a full Arrow header, and then we'll give it a tune, and then it's going to sound insane. Man, if you have one of these STs or Pan America, you got to get the tank grips, because you see my knees, they just lock into the tank right now. But before, it was just slipping and sliding off the tank. There's no way to grip the bike well. That's like my favorite, to ride like country roads like this, especially like upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, where there's a lot of Maine, where there's a lot of like lakes, rivers, streams. Oh my God, it's just around every corner. It's just beautiful. It's just picturesque like this, you know. And that's why, you know, we go a lot, you know, to like up into Americade, up into New York State, and even further, Lake Placid, New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine. That's all you have is like lush green forests, mountains, beautiful twisty roads, rivers, streams, lakes. Literally there's like some kind of body of water around every corner. It's just amazing. There's the boys. Alright, I'm gonna fuel up now so I don't have to later. Oh, this is great. Four gallons. Range 224 miles. That is good. That is really good. 71 degrees out. There's Steve's bike, Ducati V4S, and there's Sammy's Ducati V4S. The killer. The killer. You know. Oh, it sounds good? Really?
It's fucking crazy.
No kidding. Yeah, I'm waiting. I ordered a new set. Yeah. I'll show you.
All right, guys, I just pulled into this gas station, met up with my friends, and Bo followed me along. Bo just picked this Pan America Special up. I believe it's a 2025, and he just picked it up a couple weeks ago, right around the same time that I picked my bike up. But the Pan America Special is more geared towards obviously off-road and obviously road, whereas the Pan America ST is more geared towards road, sports touring, etc. It's got the 17-inch front and back wheel, whereas Bo's got the 19-inch front wheel. He's got definitely a different tires on it, where it's probably, I'm going to say 70-30% for off-road and road, whereas mine are primarily for street, more sport touring, riding, if you will. But definitely the wheels and tire package is different. It has the same Brembo brakes. Here it has the lights on the Special. It also has almost like a fairing, a lower fairing with the lower crash bars on it. But this lights, my bike actually came with this turn signal set up, but I actually took it off of my bike. But that's where, as you guys can see, the extra weight comes in on the Pan America Special. Here on my bike, I removed that bar, I removed those turn signals, and I installed a lighter, smaller turn signal. Whereas you can see on his bike, he still has like the engine guards and the lower fairings. And then going over to my bike, it's just like super cleaned up. Removed a couple pounds there. I don't have the large lower fairings. There's just like a cover over the radiator, and going back to his bike, you can see like the big fairings that are covering, you know, the radiator and obviously the crash bar. He's got hang guards, and the ST obviously, you know, does not come with hang guards. He does have the Brembo brakes, the Brembo master cylinder. You can see also the big difference in the bar setup, where he's got the 4.5-inch riser and the high bend bar, and I changed it out for a 6.5-inch riser with a low bend bar. And I just love this setup. Love the bar setup. Love the color setup. I will be removing these mirrors though. I have a pair of stealth mirrors that are going to be coming soon, and I'll be putting them on. I also noticed the ST windshield it's not adjustable, whereas his, it's a much taller windshield and it is adjustable. It moves up and down a couple inches, which is pretty cool. But you know, two totally different bikes. If you're going to be taking this bike obviously off-road and a lot more miles, I guess the adjustable windshield would be better, you know. But the ST is a more sporty, I guess, sports touring hooligan type bike where you wouldn't need that. He also has this light. I think it's actually turn light, where pretty much if you're turning, those lights are going to be turning into the turn, whereas the ST does not come with that, which I don't really mind. Another thing is he's got electronic suspension where he could adjust on the fly through the dashboard, and the ST does not come with the electronic suspension, where you see on the bottom of the fork you have to manually adjust the compression and the rebound, which again, I don't mind. My bike does come with obviously ride height adjustment, whereas if you have that turned on, if you're a shorter rider, you hop on the bike, it'll actually lower itself, or when you come to a stop. I have that function turned off. I'm 6'2" tall, so I don't primarily need it. His bike also comes with a center stand, and the ST does not. I also have a quick shifter, which his bike does not come with. So the ST will come with the quick shifter and no center stand, and his bike will have no quick shifter and will come with a center stand. But the center stand, I mean, it just adds weight. I guess it's good if you want to change out a tire, but I don't mind not having it. And you guys could also see how well, how well I cleaned up the back, where you could see the big kind of like front tail piece, and I don't have that anymore. I just cleaned that up, put in some really small turn signals, which I really love the look of my bike. Just cleaned that up. And also the exhaust. Like, a lot of people are saying the exhaust is kind of big, but it's actually not. The stock exhaust is super, super long. It may look that the Akrapovic exhaust is bigger. His exhaust also comes with that huge, you call it like a bread box. The cat is actually in the header. So that's not the catalytic converter. It's just like, they call it a bread box, but I guess it's just to quiet the bike up. Also, he also has this Saddleman step-up seat, and I also have the step-up, but I have a tuck and roll. I love the tuck and roll. I think it makes the seat really, really super comfortable. It also comes with my seat. I actually ordered it with the red stitching, red logo. Which we have on the website. If you use code CycleFanatics10, you could get a 10% off discount off of all the products. But primarily the engine's the same, and wheel and tires are different. Obviously, there's a lot of weight savings that is on the Pan America ST, 27 pounds total from the factory. But then I think I took off probably about another 12 to 14 pounds. So I think I got about 43 pounds lighter, I would say, as far as difference from my bike now, from the way it is compared to the way Bo's bike is right now stock off the showroom floor. But that's about it. They totally look different, but same power, same torque. They're both a blast to ride. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. Thanks a lot.